This is the best life hack for everybody. If you have remote controls, then this one is for you. And everybody has a remote control for something. Anyways, let's say that your batteries do not work in your remote control and you go in your drawer and you only have AAA but you need AA. No problem. Form a little ball with the aluminum foil and place it in the space where the battery goes, in the back of your remote control. Now place the battery that you have in there. Make sure there's no gaps. And I'm telling you, this works. I tested it and it worked. It worked. All these years, I cannot believe I just learned this today. Let's call this the best remote control hack.